Which of the following is an equivalent form of quantity 1.5x minus 2.4 squared minus quantity 5.2x squared minus 6.4? These types of equations require you to simply simplify, open up the parentheses, and just combine like terms. So let's go ahead and do that. The first quantity right here is being squared. That means we have to write it twice, and then we're going to FOIL that. So 1.5x minus 2.4 times itself, 1.5x minus 2.4. And the second quantity right here, we have to distribute this -1. So that makes this negative 5.2x to the second plus 6.4. Now let's FOIL this part right here. So 1.5x times 1.5x becomes 2.25x to the second. And then 1.5x times 2.4 becomes negative 3.6x. We'll proceed. We have negative 2.4 times 1.5. Once again, that's going to be negative 3.6x. And last but not least, we've got negative 2.4 times negative 2.4. That gives us positive 5.76. Let's go ahead and bring down this part that we haven't really touched yet. So it'll be minus 5.2x to the second plus 6.4. Now our next task is simply looking for like terms. So we've got 2.25x to the second minus 5.2x to the second. That gives us negative 2.95x to the second. And just by doing that one thing, we can eliminate a and b because they don't have that. So let's go on to find the next like term. We can say negative 3.6 minus 3.6 gives us a negative 7.2. And these both have that so far, so we can't really eliminate anything. The only thing remaining is 5.76 plus 6.4, and that's clearly going to be 12.16. And that makes C the correct answer to this question.